have mercy. Help me pick up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live.
Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. So I noticed a few things that I am so delighted to see in the garden at this time. You can see that I have cucumbers making their way in the garden again. Look at this time, springing up and doing so well. So I want to show you my pak choys. Like, look how much they grew back already. Remember we harvested just the other day, a few days ago, and look at these babies. I see my cauliflower pushing out, looking beautiful and all. Another one right here. There's one right here and one right here. And these cucumbers inside here, seems like I soon have cucumbers on here. There are 3 plants, yeah, because this is another one around here. So I'm allowing them to run in this bed. I sowed the seeds in this bed with the intention of taking them out, but I didn't bother. So look at these. Like I didn't harvest them before. How long now? It's a week. It's a week and probably a few days. Yeah, about that. About a week and a few days. And look at them. And I harvested some lettuce the other day without you guys because I needed them for my salad. And they're just springing up back nicely. I'm going to have to get these soon because I don't want them to get too old and get bitter. Alright, so these are just doing phenomenal. Look at this papaya volunteer. I'm going to take it out and put it around the back. Look at these cacti that I recently planted in this new bed. They are doing so well, looking so good already. These callaloo, I'm telling you, they are enjoying themselves. Now this so long, is it so long or so long? Cucumber, look at that. Seems like I'm going to get cucumbers soon. So I'm going to make the trellis. Well, the trellis is right here. I just need to add the strings on here to make me my trellis for this beauty. Looks like I'm going to get loads of cucumber here. And there's another one here. Getting ready to perform too. Look at these marigolds right here. Oh Lord, I thought these were dwarfs, but you can see that these are going to get huge. They're going to grow very, very tall. I see right here. Now I spot this melon this morning. I know there must be many others inside there. I just hope they get pollinated. You see one right there? And then I was moving this out the way and I saw this one. I hope they are pollinated. Did I mention that it rained again yesterday? Yes, it did. And my garden is loving it. Oh, I have one little sad news. My little baby here, my dragon fruit bloom, it got yellow I touched it and it just fell off. But I did some research prior to now. I've learned that it is natural during their fruiting season for some to get yellow and fall off, even though I was the one who knocked it off, because I was like, oh, you look so, and it just fell off. But that's how it is. But at least I have hope, and I know that, you know, they will produce. My sweet potatoes, they are pushing out nicely, and my passion fruits. Now my yam vines making their way. This one gonna lead. This one taking the lead right now. I'm pretty sure the others will come through soon. Now this pumpkin patch, take a look at it. I may just leave it and see if things will turn over, or I may just root it up. But it's not a bother right now, so I may just leave it as is. Looks like I'm going to get eggplants soon. Looks like this bloom is going to stick and stay, and I'm getting others and other plants as well. Look at these stink bugs. Look at them, guys. This tomato pushing out a lot of blooms, getting ready to produce for me. Like I'm going to get cucumbers soon around here as well. I need to clean up the garden a bit in terms of I need to prune those bottom leaves of the cucumber and do some things, because I need to give this basil an haircut so that the other plants can get more sunlight. I need to get a few stuff done. Corns are rolling in. I didn't show you the ones up there, but I think I saw it the other day. Well, saw them the other day. There they are, rolling in. No, this pomegranate tree is playing with me now. I kid you not. All the first set of the 3 blooms, they fell off. More bloom there opening up. Let me get these mulberry. That one fell. I'm happy that the birds are not enjoying them with us. This nice one over here. This one big. Oh, nice. There are more, you know, guys. More. This baby has been producing like crazy. More. this one right here. Another one right here. A nice handful. And guys, look at this. This is my first official cayenne pepper. Yeah, I've never tried growing it before late last year, and so I am delighted to see it in my garden. Well, I thought this one was the first, but looking at this one, this one is bigger, so it looks like this one is the very first. Look how the mulberry do my hands. So yeah, both of you are the very first. So
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
I'm so happy to see them coming along nicely. Now I'm pretty sure there are other happenings in the garden. However, I don't spot them as yet. So when I go through the garden, then I'll actually know what's up. Look at these beauties. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.